bunch of parrots eating up in the tree. Parrots in San Francisco, who knew? Flocks of parrots. So much for the apple pie idea. We got 1, 2. Oh, hi guys. What's up, Aries? They're pretty close, pretty comfy. Like, it's no big deal. You guys like that? You like those apples? I would guess 1, 2, 3, 25 parrots in the tree. There's the house. San Francisco. That's Transamerica Pyramid way down there. It's freaking miraculous. Hi guys. Parrots. I got about, 50 parrots. You guys enjoying the apples? I bet you are. Chow down. Okay, that's about halfway through that one. Let's the buddy come chow down. Very nice. Whoa, Daddy. And they're off. And then they're the buddies. Come on, let's roll. Not a single one left. Well, here we go. What if there's students drive by? That is a cool element of living in San Francisco. Got the Pimp Daddy tent, chairs, house, parrots, little practice dumb golf thing, nice view, and life. See you guys. Wow, look at the green. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Wow. That's some Nature Channel shizney right there. Wonder if they're going to another apple tree. They hit that up hard though. Let's assess the damage. Look at that. Chomp, 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 chomp on the apple. Yet they didn't touch that one. Thank you. Thanks for being courteous. Wow. Okay. It's the San Francisco parrot episode. Word to the mothership. Word to the moms. I came to drop right over there. It's the Claremont Hotel across the bay, where I once played as a child.